Hi, Dominique, Guinard. It's a pleasure to have you here in Bucharest Technology Week. I will like to ask you some questions. What was the presentation about?
The presentation was about the Internet of Things and in general looking at the market opportunities, the challenges, but also the technology. I was presenting a methodology to connect products to the Internet that's based on a book called Building the Web of Things.
How did you find the audience?
I really liked the audience. I was also impressed by all the discussions during the breaks, and all the people I met were very interesting and motivating people. So great crowd, basically.
How do you wish your presentation will impact the audience?
And I hope it will inspire people on getting on board the Internet of Things, either themselves, building connected products, or using companies such as EVRYTHNG to help them build their connected products. I also hope it will kickstart some things in the innovation scene in Romania, looking at the IoT, because I think Romania has a role to play in that space.
Why did you choose to become involved in Bucharest Technology Week?
I was actually invited to become involved, and I found the lineup of speakers very impressive, so that actually convinced me to come over and check it out. Also, the last time I was in Romania was 20 years ago, and I wanted to see how it evolved, and I must say I wasn't disappointed. Quite a few changes.
And this is the last question. Can you tell me the most important technology in which companies should invest in?
Yeah, I think there are quite a few important technologies these days that Romanian companies could invest in. Obviously, the Internet of Things is for me a big one where Romania can play a role. I'm also thinking about big data is definitely another place, big data analytics. And then all the machine learning, which requires a lot of algorithmic skills and general hardcore computer science skills, for which Romania is pretty well known. So these are three good areas to invest.
Thank you very much for your answers, and it's a pleasure to have you here.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me here.